Hello and welcome to this week's video on the Resto Saga Classic Car Restoration YouTube channel. And I'm afraid we're still talking about rusty exhausts on the Land Rover. Now, shortly after I made last week's video, I noticed that whenever the two exhausts are set side by side, the middle section pipe, theirs were two completely different shapes. So immediately I was slightly concerned about this, so I went and checked my order form and checked the website, and the website did state that this pipe that I had ordered was correct for an 88-inch Series 3 diesel. But whenever you look at the manufacturer's website, which is SS, this pipe here and this pipe here have two different numbers. And indeed, this one is available in stainless from Bermac, who were the suppliers I chose on this occasion. So, bit of a problem, but I decided to go ahead and give it a go and see if it would fit and work. So I fitted this up with the new stainless silencer here, and it does not work. It was going to clash with the chassis, and there was no way to make it work. So, somewhat disappointing because I'd made really good progress and thought I was actually going to get the exhaust fitted, and that would be job done and get the Land Rover back out on the road. So what I did was I filled in the returns form on the Bermac website, which is quite simple, and then I phoned them up and got a very helpful person on the phone who acknowledged the fact that their website was incorrect. They have refunded me the price of this pipe and given me a 10% discount on the new pipe. So big shout out to Bermac, who have been very helpful in resolving the problem. They've acknowledged that it was their fault, and I believe they're going to take some steps to make sure this doesn't happen again. Even on top of that, they don't want this pipe back because I think it's probably going to cost them more to have it returned to them than it's actually worth. So what's happening is this stainless steel version of the correct pipe is making its way to me, discount and all included, and I will get that fitted up very soon. Which leaves me with a spare section of pipe. And I have since googled the part numbers for this, and I believe, and I'm happy to be corrected in this, that this is the middle section pipe for a Series 2 88-inch petrol model between 58 and 61. So they have told me to do with what I see fit, so I'm going to put it on eBay. If it's any use to anybody, all I need to do is cover the postage costs for the new pipe, and I'll be very happy. So if anyone's interested, this is going to be up on eBay very soon, and you're more than welcome to bid on it or buy it. I'm not going to be looking at anything near the RRP for it. I just want rid of it. There's no point in putting it in the dump. So another delay on parts, but cannot fault Bermac and their customer service. They've been really, really helpful resolving the problem. And next video you see, all being well, I will have the correct exhaust. It will be on the vehicle, and we'll be good to go to take the Land Rover out for a run. Once again, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you find this vaguely interesting, although not exactly the most interesting video, but just an insight to managing these vehicles and getting the parts correct for them. So as ever, please hit the subscribe button, feel free to comment, and I will, as always, reply to all my comments. Catch you again next week.